graduation in BSc Cardiac Perfusion Technology in the year 2022. After my graduation, I have done internship. I also worked. While working, I found out like, okay, this is not my cup of tea. It is not working out for me. I just want to shift my career. Then I asked my friend, what can I do? Then he suggested me to come to IT industry. I was like, how can I come to IT industry? It is entirely different for me. I don't know anything. Even the basics I don't know. Then he suggested me to join QSpiders. So where they will teach us from the scratch. They will teach you from the scratch. Even if you don't know anything, it doesn't really matter. Then I contacted QSpiders Punjagutta. Then I attended the demo. Yogi sir took the demo. I was very impressed with the demo. After the demo, I joined organization in the March. Within 2 months, by the mid of the May, I got placed into the 3.5 LPA. So only this is possible because of the quality teaching that they provide in QSpiders. For me, you take my example. I am from completely different background. Even though I don't know any of the things, I am not, I'm not used with this programming or the technical terms. All these things, the staff really help. They are really friendly, and whatever the doubt you have, even it is a silly doubt also, they are ready to answer the questions. They'll stop teaching, they'll answer the question. Only once we are clear, they'll just move forward. And before coming to the QSpiders, I was so afraid to ask the question in the crowd. After coming here, people around me are asking the questions. I also got motivated to answer the questions. And after the session, they also make sure that we are doing presentations. These presentations really helped me to overcome the fear of facing strangers. And this helped me in interviews as well. And while giving interview also, so before giving interview, Kishore sir, he took 3 rounds of mock for me. Only after clearing that mock, I have attended the interview so that I could able to clear the interview at a one go. I attended only one interview and I got placed in that interview. It really helped me a lot. And one more thing, the programming. I am completely new to this programming. So I would like to thank Santosh sir. He is the one who helped me to do this programming. Even if I ask him the same doubt for 100 times, he is ready to explain. I really thank Santosh sir, and I also thank Tarun sir because he is the one who told me to choose. I was so confused whether to take Java or Python. He really helped me to take up the course, and he also helped me in learning manual testing. Kishore sir is the one who placed me, and I am really thankful to all my trainers. I also thank to Aptitude sir. To my luck, I couldn't, the interview which I gave, it is not having the aptitude. So to my luck, I got placed, but he is also a good trainer. He teaches really well, aptitude he teaches really well. I thank all the trainers, and I also thank QSpiders Punjagutta. Thank you so much.